CAD Learning gives managers robust tools to improve their organization's learning and performance. Administrators can manage accounts, create engagement pieces, view reports and analytics, and generate and share gap playlists. The Organization tab puts managerial tools in one easy-to-access location. From here, admins can quickly update their business profile, billing addresses, payment methods, and subscriptions. Users can be filtered to adjust permissions. New users can be added manually or uploaded in bulk. Content controls let admins assign targeted content to specific contractors or teams. Managers can create roles unique to their organization and pair the roles with stock CAD Learning goals, which include content that aligns with the objectives of the Autodesk certification exam. Roles tie into the project placement tool, which helps managers identify the best employee, contractor, or new hire for a project. On the Report tabs are standard activity and assessment reports. Managers can quickly identify which lessons, products, and versions are viewed most. Assessment reports are available based on individual questions and overall score. Outcome-driven analytics help managers reduce training time, increase accuracy, boost productivity, and demonstrate ROI. Portal analytics can be connected to reporting platforms like Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and Tableau for powerful insights about performance and competencies. By unifying talent, knowledge, and competency management in one solution, CAD Learning provides administrators with everything they need to help employees reach their true performance potential.